Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you all how we can actually insert images into our Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So there's a few different ways that we can do this, and the first way that I'm going to show you is when we add a new slide, we're going to have a placeholder where we can go ahead and grab an image on that placeholder. So let's say we're on our presentation here, we're ready to go ahead and add in our new slide. Let's come over here to the Home tab on our ribbon, come over here to the New Slide option, and once you do this, you're going to see a bunch of different options here. And the one that I'm going to go ahead and select is title and content. So title, I'll be able to add a title, kind of like what you see here where it says paragraph formatting at the top of my slide. Then I'll have a content section where I can select all different types of content. So let's go ahead and explore that. So let's hit title and content. All right, so now we have our title at the top of the page. So let's go ahead and title this. We've been working with dogs a lot throughout our presentation, so we'll keep it going. Let's type in German Shepherd. And now we have this section that we could play with. We have this bulleted list that was added for us, which is fine, but I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. I'm just focused on adding in our content here. So you can see we have some different content options. We have things like smart art, graphics, cameos, charts, etc., videos, but we're going to go ahead and focus on the picture option, which is here in the top left. So go ahead and left click it. And then we have some different options as well within that. So we can either go ahead and choose an image from our device. We can go ahead and search the web. We can choose stock images, brand images, or add in icons. So I usually defer to the stock images first, unless I have an image that I already want to use that's saved to my computer. So let's go ahead and select stock images. And let's type in German Shepherd. Let's see if German Shepherd pops. It does not. Okay. So let's go ahead and type in Shepherd. Okay. So there we go. We have a, it kind of looks like a German Shepherd, but could be, or it might be a Malinois. I don't know. But let's just go ahead and assume this is the German Shepherd. So let's go ahead and select it. Then let's go over here to insert. I could insert multiple images if I would like to. So you can see if I go ahead and select this other dog here, I can go ahead and add in both dogs, but let's just do this one here. Hit insert and give it a moment to add it to the screen. You can see now that placeholder has been replaced with the image that we just added. So that is how you're able to add in images using placeholders, but there is another way that we can do it too. So let's actually go ahead and just delete this placeholder altogether. And if you don't have a placeholder here on your screen, or even if you already had a placeholder, maybe you already filled it up with content, you can still add in pictures. So to do this, you just have to head over here to the Insert tab. And within Insert, come over here to Pictures and left click to hit the drop down. And similar to what you guys saw on the placeholder, we have the option to go ahead and select images from our device. We even have a Generate an Image option here, which we can use AI to do that. And we also have stock images, brand images, and online pictures. So let's go ahead and try these stock images. And we'll go ahead and type in dog. We'll do something similar to what we did before. And we'll just select a different dog this time, even though it's not a German Shepherd. Let's go the opposite way. Let's select this, I don't know, maybe that's a Shih Tzu or a Bichon. I'm not sure what type of dog this is, but let's go ahead and select it. And you can see we now have a dog that's available on our screen. And if I want to go ahead and adjust the size, I just have to left click it. And then you'll see you'll get these little dots on the top left, the middle, top right, etc. Then come up here to the corner and you can see it's going to give us this option where we can go ahead and change the sizing of the image. I can also do it here, but the issue if I do it here, you can see that it doesn't scale correctly and the image starts to become skewed. However, if you do it from the corner like this, it's going to go ahead and it's going to change the height and the width at the same time, and it'll keep the image looking like it should. So it adjusts as you adjust the height, the width follows. All right, everyone. So that is how you're actually able to update, or I'm sorry, not update. That's how you're able to add images to your Microsoft PowerPoint slides. In the next video, I'll show you how you can actually format these images.